Okay, welcome back everyone. It's Albert Lebel once again. I would say coming to you live, but this is completely pre-recorded. I've got a challenge locking device called Moe by Jason Carlson, and it's called Moe because he actually made a set a little while back. He sent me I know he sent me a package recently. You've probably seen the video, but this was from a previous one. He sent 3 locks, well, at least 3 locks. He named 3 of them Larry, Moe, and Curly, which is pretty freaking cool. This one happens to be Moe. If you haven't seen Larry, I believe I already picked Larry. I'm trying to pick them in order. Please check it out. It was a pretty good, fun lock. I'm hoping this one is the same. I have not tried this one yet. Get zoomed in a little bit here. Get zoomed in a lot of it here. And take a look at the key. Doesn't look too horrendous. And I'm really stoked because it's on the Schlage type keyway, and I love me a Schlage. And it does seem like a short one, so I'm guessing it's a 5-pinner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, 5-pinner. Guess we can try it. Works like butter. Makes me kind of wonder if it's might not be too modified. It feels like it's real smooth. Okay, let's see. Did I see? Okay. All right. So, like I said, I have not tried it yet, so we'll take this journey together. Get a top of the keyway going here, and as always, my go-to picks are these. There's usually 2 of them that I use, but sometimes it only takes this one. These are Sparrow's picks, a couple picks out of the Monstrum XXL set, and these 2 right here, especially on a stock Schlage, they're like master keys. I usually use this one. It's got like this one I call the nub. It's barely got anything at all. And then this one's got a low rise to it, which is the one I'll probably use here. But yeah, they work fantastic on Schlages. At least for me they do. I'm going to drop my little shotgun in the bottom. Alright, let's see what we got here. Get a feel for it. Yep, I feel 5 pins. Okay, let's get started. 1, maybe. Got a little bit. 4. Feels like 5. A little bit. Coming back out. 1 counter rotation. Yep, okay. 2, 3, 4. I dropped 5. A little bit more. Feels like 4. Yep. Oh, I do something up. Oversetting some. Let's go counterclockwise. Okay, 1, a little bit. 2, 3. 4. 1. 2, 3. 4. Huh. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5. Huh. I'm not feeling it. I'm not getting any feedback now. Okay, now I did. There we go. Boom. Something funky in there, I'll tell you what, man. That was freaking awesome. I really stopped getting any kind of feedback at the end right there. Alright, let's get this little shotgun out. Really cool. That was fun, man. Really fun. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, let's get backed out. Let's get this bad boy out of the vise. Let's see what Jason Carlson's got inside this bad boy right here. Bring the camera down about right there-ish. And which one we got this time? We got the white one this time. Alright, we're good on the camera. We can come in a little bit, I guess. Alright, so we're very much open, fair enough. We got the key not mummified, so we can lock it back up. Some Phillips screws on the back. Yeah, that was freaking awesome. It just kind of went dead on me. Very, very cool. Alright, let's get this stuff out of the way. We don't need that. Bada boom, bada bang. And it did feel pretty funky, like I said, so I'm going to try and get a shim in there. I always try to use a shim on a challenge lock. I mean, why not? Why would you not? You know what I mean? Okay, yeah, this is, I don't know if it's just tight. Let's see if that works. Alright. Yep, little 5-pinner. And looks like it's fair to say they all needed picking. Not a whole lot on 3 or 5, but they did need a picking. Let's get them laid out, see what we got. Got a standard in 1. Standard in 2. Standard in 3. Any guesses on what 4 is? And you know what's weird is I'm pulling standard pins out of here, but the core looks like it's threaded. At least a few of them are. I'm not sure what a threaded core is going to do. Oh, my specs. Oh boy. Sorry about that. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know. When you thread these cores, yeah, it's threaded in 1, 3, and 4. 5 looks like it might be just a little. Oh, okay, it is undercut. Yeah, really big undercut. Well, looks like you might have reamed that out trying to do the undercut, because it's undercut on one side and kind of reamed out on the other side. Oh well, that side looks pretty good. I mean, it does grab. This side doesn't. Almost like it went sideways with the tool. But yeah, I don't know. When you thread these, if you got a standard pin in there, I don't think it's going to do a whole lot. But I'm no lock scientist here. But I don't think it. I guess maybe. I guess it could mess with the feel a little bit. But that's what we got. Threading in 1, 3, and 4. And an undercut in 5. Okay. Let's see what we got up here. Bada boom, bada bang. Tweezers. Alright, where we at? Right here. got something really long. Wow. Okay, we got, really? It looks like 3 pins in here. Oh, I see. Oh, I'm glad to see. This is a good example of why I hate when people use hollow followers and whatnot. This is a 2-piece pin with a spring in it. Now, had I been using a hollow follower, this would have ejected, and you know, you get the picture. So I'm going to try to do this. There's a 2-piece pin, and it's spring loaded. You see that? There's a spring right there on the shaft that pushes up this top piece. This is why I can't emphasize enough, man. Use a solid follower and take your time and go slow. Because I know I make making a lot of locks now with 2-piece pins, and when I see people using hollow followers or I don't know, it's just it's a pet peeve of mine. Yeah. It's like danger, Will Robinson, danger. And if you notice, I always try, I know I can't do it on every lock because there's different followers, but if you have this slot going up and down there, as you can see the way, let me get that spring out of there, or not. Okay. Oh, you know what? It's right here. I already dropped it. There it is. Okay. Yeah. If you got the slot going up and down right there, as you can see when I slide it back carefully, bring the pin up, and it sits right in that slot right there. It doesn't fall over, doesn't come flying out. So if there's a 2-piece pin in there or a multi-piece pin, you're gonna keep the orientation of it. Now this is a 1-piece, but it's a very long layered cake type. It reduces 3 or 4 times. And number 2, another little spring. Number 3, looks like it might be. Nope, that's a 1-piece, but it's multi-serrated. Nice, multi-serrated and T-pinned. Another little spring. We put some work into this one, bud. And number 4 looks the same, I think. Yep, some multi-serrated. Very nice. Beautiful. A little spring, and last but not least, looks like a spool. Yep, looks like a factory spool, but I could be wrong. Yeah, looks factory to me. It's alright. Alrighty. But yeah, I can't stress enough on using use the right follower and go real slow. Take your time, because you know, whoever made the lock, whether it been Jason Carlson, myself, anybody, we put a lot of work into them suckers, especially getting this, you know, building the lock and making those 2-piece pins. It's a lot of work, and to see someone just blow the lock up is just disheartening. So yeah, that's my pet peeve. Sorry. Alright, so we got no mods in the body, or the Bible we call it. I guess the body of the lock. No mods in there. Okay, badass. Badass. Again, that was Moe of Larry Moe and Curly Locks from Jason Carlson. I'm going to put the key right here-ish, if I can. And bring my fancy little table around here. Cardboard table, and see if we can take a look at some pins over here. Work. Looks alright to me. Jeez. Alright, back out a little bit maybe. Okay. Jesus. Sorry about that. Alright, key pens, all standard. Drivers, we got this really cool, I guess you can call it a three-piece if you count the spring, but we got this kind of a spooled sleeve that rides up and down on the shaft of this guy that's spring-loaded. Two, we've got this multi-layer, layered cake, almost to a T-pin. Three, double, I guess we call it double serrated T-pin. Four, triple serrated, and five is a spool. All the springs look copper or brass, whatever they're made out of. Absolutely phenomenal. That was a really, really fun lock. I'm looking forward to doing Curly next, or at least soon. It must be really cool. Alright, thank you Jason Carlson for pinning that up. Thank you all so much for watching. Please comment, and if you liked the video, give an old man a thumbs up. Thank you.